Hey, welcome to Technology Chaos. Today we're going to explore the fascinating world of space technology. We will take you on a journey through the history of space technology from the earliest rockets to the current space exploration missions. Let's begin. The origins of space technology can be traced back to the early 20th century when scientists and engineers began experimenting with rockets. In the 1920s, a man named Robert Goddard made significant contributions to rocket technology. He developed the first liquid fueled rocket and launched it in 1926, which paved the way for modern rocketry. During World War II, rocket technology gained importance as a weapon of war. The Germans developed the V 2 rocket, which was used to attack London and other cities. After the war, the US and Soviet Union both began working on rocket technology for military purposes. In the 1950s, the Cold War between the US and Soviet Union intensified, and both countries began to see space exploration as a way to demonstrate their technological superiority. In 1957, the Soviet Union launched the first satellite Sputnik into orbit. This was a major milestone in the history of space technology. In response to the Soviet Union's success, the US established the National Aeronautics and Space Administration in 1958. NASA's goal was to develop technology for space exploration and to catch up with the Soviet Union in the space race. The 1960s saw a flurry of activity in space exploration. In 1961, Soviet cosmonaut Yuri Gagarin became the first human to orbit the Earth. The following year, US astronaut Alan Shepard became the first American in space. In 1969, NASA achieved its greatest triumph when Neil Armstrong became the first human to walk on the moon. The Apollo program was the culmination of years of effort and billions of dollars in investment. After the moon landing, interest in space exploration waned. However, scientists and engineers continued to work on new technologies and techniques to explore the cosmos. In the 1980s, NASA began working on the Space Shuttle program, which aimed to make space travel more affordable and accessible. The first space shuttle, Columbia, launched in 1981. The Space Shuttle program would go on to complete 135 missions over the next 30 years. In the 1990s, the focus of space exploration shifted from the moon to the rest of the solar system. NASA launched several probes to explore planets and moons, including the Galileo probe, which explored Jupiter and its moons, and the Cassini-Huygens probe, which explored Saturn and its moons. In the 21st century, space technology has continued to evolve at a rapid pace. Private companies like SpaceX and Blue Origin have entered the space race with the goal of making space travel more affordable and accessible. In 2012, NASA's Mars rover Curiosity landed on the red planet, and it continues to explore and gather data to this day. Thank you so much for watching the video. You are requested to please like the video, comment on it, and also subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with the latest updates. Thank you so much.